Okay. Students, can you say this company?
Yes, sir. Henko.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See here, Henkel is the seller and Eroski is the buyer. It's a German company. Henkel is a German company. In India, its products are sold by a company called Jyoti Laboratories. Okay. And this is the popular brand from Henkel. This company is not so successful in India, but Henko is one among the world's largest selling detergent powder. Okay. Henko is one among the largest selling detergent brands in the world. Okay, but miserably failed in India. Okay, because they have not understood the Indian consumer buying behavior properly. Okay, but anyway, so in our example, Henkel is a seller and Eroski is a retailer. So Eroski is a German retailing organization. Okay, so in December 1999, 70% of sales forecast had an average error of 50%. Oh my God, can you believe? Say if Henkel develops its full sales forecasting, say for example, I guess simple example, 100 units. If they forecast that they can sell 100 units, or the customer demand will be 100 units. Okay. Okay, the actual demand used to be only 50. Means 50 units were left unsold in the supply chain. And demand forecasts are prepared, okay, aggregate as well as for each market separately, for as well as for each product separately. Remember, so more than 70% of the sales forecast had an average error of 50%. Think about the disaster, the losses for in the supply chain. And only 5% of the forecasts had errors under 20%. It is because Henkel used to develop sales forecasting in an isolated way on its own without the information from point of sale at the retail store. Okay, so within the 4 months of CPFR implementation, that is collaborative planning, forecasting, and replenishment, where the buyer provides the demand information, the buyer shares the demand information with the manufacturer, and using the demand information from the buyer, manufacturer develops a sales forecasting, which improves the information accuracy, which improves the accuracy of the sales forecasting. Okay, what happened? Something miracle. 70% of the forecasts of Henkel had errors under 20%. See, from 50% error, it dropped down to under 20% of the 70% forecasts. Think about the millions of dollars it saved for the company in terms of excess inventory, which used to left over in the supply chain without sold. And only 5% forecasts had errors over 50%. Okay, it is not less than a miracle. Okay, only if you can put yourself into the shoes of a supply chain manager. Okay, so you will, okay, definitely applaud this. And resulted in customer service level of 98%. Customer service level means order fulfillment. Whatever Eroski used to order, the retailer, okay, Henkel could deliver up to 98% of the Eroski's orders. Okay, remember, organized retailer, they will have thousands of stores across the country. Okay, so resulted in customer service level of 98% and an average inventory of only 5 days. Okay, so Henkel Eroski would maintain a inventory for only 5 days, because exactly the 5th day evening, okay, Henkel would deliver the required stock keeping units and in the required quantity exactly to each of the Eroski store across Germany. Okay, so that is the benefit of adopting CPFR, collaborative planning, forecasting, and replenishment. Okay, so we come to the end here. But anyway, just screen, yeah. You can just have a look at this. Henkel, okay, Henkel AG and Company is a German chemical and consumer goods company headquartered in Germany. It is a multinational company active both in consumer and industrial sector. Okay, it is present in both. And yeah, I think this is a global website. They have an Indian website also, but I chose a global website. So you can see brands and businesses, additive technology, it is industrial markets, beauty care, consumer markets, and laundry and home care. Okay, so in laundry and home care, Yes. Okay. The top brands include Persil, All, Bref. Okay. Persil, I think that in India, that Henko brand of detergent is sold by Jyoti Laboratories Private Limited. I don't know the arrangement, whether it is okay a franchisee or whether the Jyoti Laboratories has purchased the brand. Okay, let us have that information in next class anyway. So I think yeah, that's all, and we have come to the end of syllabus of supply chain. Okay, so I hope you can see the PowerPoint slide.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is the end of syllabus. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can ask in the next class, in the beginning of next class. We have about exactly 10 minutes now. Yes. So first I will take attendance, and if time remains, okay, let us see what can be done. So please, okay, the next student should stay unmuted so that they can give the attendance quickly. Okay, and please remember tomorrow we have extra class 9 to 10. Okay, and I will discuss a small case. Okay, and give insight on once again. Okay, maybe for final time, how to develop an insight into a case, how to diagnose. Okay, and how to arrive at how to understand the situation and make decisions. Okay, and Monday I will have one more class 9 to 10. Okay, so don't miss the classes. And Tuesday my last class of supply chain 12:30 to 1:30. Okay, so I hope the schedule is clear. I shared it in Google Classroom, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and please don't miss the
Yes,
class.
sir.
And there
Yes,
are
sir.
about 17, 18 students are absent. Please inform them also, both the CRs, Prema and Vishal. If you are present, please inform all the class to attend the last class. Okay, these are the last classes of your MBA program in my subject. Okay, Nishad. And you have to help me,
Sir,
na,
she is
please.
present.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes,
she is
sir.
present.
Yes. Aditya.
He was
Aishwarya.
present, sir.
Okay, Aishwarya.
Present, sir.
Akshata.
Present, sir.
Akshay Pujari. Akshay Kulkarni.
Present, sir.
Akshay Koradkeri.
Sir, he is also present. Sir.
Yes. Ankita.
Present, sir.
Anusha.
Present, sir.
Apeksha.
Yes, sir.
Arpita. Ashutosh.
Present, sir.
Ashwini.
Yes, sir.
Prasad.
Yes, sir.
Supriya.
He is present, sir.
Present, sir.
Divya. Gautam. Geeta. Geetanjali.
Present, sir.
Gururaj. Hanumant Rai.
So Guru Raj is present, sir.
Yes, thank you. Hanumant Rai.
He is absent, sir.
Yeah. Bhimaya. Kallaya.
Present, sir.
Karthik.
Yes, sir.
Manjur.
Yes, sir.
Manoj.
He
Meghna.
is present, sir.
Yeah. Marked present. Thank you. Meghna Kalburgi.
Present, sir.
Yeah, Manoj is marked present. Okay. Meghna Lokhande.
Present, sir.
Nagaratna.
Nandan
Present,
present, sir.
sir.
Yeah, Nandan is also present. Nagaratna also. Navya.
Navya is present, sir.
Present, yes. Nidhi.
She is
Yes,
also
sir.
present, sir.
Nikita.
She has put message, sir.
Yes, thank you. Pooja.
Present, sir.
Pradeep.
Yes, sir.
Pramod.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Pranjali.
Present, sir.
Prashant.
Yes, sir.
Prema.
Yes, sir.
Priya. Rahul.
So he was present in previous
Yes,
class.
thank you. Ram.
Present, sir.
Rohit.
Yes, sir.
Varsha.
Present, sir.
Samuel. No. Sharan.
No, sir. Sharan was present, sir.
Yes. Sharayu. Sharayu, no. Then Shilpa.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shreya.
Present, sir.
Srinidhi.
Present, sir.
Shruti.
Present, sir.
Shweta. Shweta Kokne.
Present, sir.
Shweta Kalkeri. Snehal.
Present, sir.
Okay, then Suchitra. Sudarshan. Sudha. Suman. Maruf. Vaishnavi.
Present, sir.
Vishal. Sharadhi.
Present, sir.
Yes. Okay. So thank you. I think I have another class at 10 o'clock. Okay. So I will stop here, and please remember to attend tomorrow's class. Okay, 9 to 10. And marketing students, today you have extra class from 3:30 to 4:30. Please remember. Okay, you heard me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please remember to join at 3:30.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, sir.
See you at 3:30.
Thank you.
sir.
Bye bye. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.